Hey, this is Carlos. In today's video, I'll be moving everything from here to my workshop to freeing up some space to better utilize this closet while keeping everything neatly out of the way in the workshop. In today's video, we're tackling a storage solution to free up some much needed space in this bedroom closet. When we first moved into this house, we started piling boxes wherever they fit, and this closet became our go-to storage spot. But now, it's time for my wife to reclaim that space. I guess since I've taken over the entire garage, might be just fair she gets an organized closet. For those who don't know, I use my garage as a dedicated workshop. Normally, I'm not too keen of moving stuff from the house into the workshop, but I needed to make an exception. I needed a solution to keep things accessible yet out of the way. I found this lifting rack on Amazon, and I would like to share with you the installation process and how I'm going to be using it in the workshop. Let's begin by opening the box. All right, let's see what we got on the box. We got the manual, we got some hardware, some Chinesium tape. It's not much, probably for the template. Cables, they all seem to be wrapped up to the unit. Here are all the parts included in the box. I mean, they're pretty heavy duty. I'll be reviewing the installation manual to ensure I have everything I need to guarantee a smooth setup. So the first step is to determine the location for the installation, which in my case is going to be right in front of my lumber rack. After that, I need to find the location of the joist running on top of the ceiling. For that, I'm going to be using my stud finder. Since this is a very important step, I use a strong magnet to find the screws driving the drywall to the joist. And then came back with a stud finder to confirm that indeed the joist is there and that all the marks are aligned. Don't ask me how, but somehow I was able to measure or read 48 inches from center to center. Next, I'll prepare the template for attaching it to the ceiling using the provided tape that came in the kit. For this step, I will recommend to use the entire tape provided. There is no need to save any of it after this step. I'll be putting links in the description below for all the tools I'll be using throughout the video. Let me emphasize once more, use all the tape provided and don't ask me how I know. Here I'm simply double checking that my template is aligned with the joist. We want to ensure that the template is not crooked and that all bolts will be indeed attached directly into the center of each joist. I'll be placing the mounting bracket right on the template and marking the holes with a pencil. Next, I'm going to drill a pilot hole at the center of each marked point. Next step is to mount the brackets. This thing is not going anywhere. Gearbox needs to be placed on the left hand side according to the diet. So I'm going to insert that one there. There's the little guy. Yes, I can. Turn. There we go. No. And this is probably why it's recommended to have 2 people for the installation. There we go. That's it. I'm going to put one bolt on either side of the axle. You will have 2 holes exposed when you full extend the assembly right here. I guess I'm gonna put the ladder right on the middle. So 1/2 inch socket, lowest torque, hold it with the Allen wrench, and that's it. Here we need to secure the axle assembly to the brackets via these 2 bolts that will need to go on either side. If you're interested in this rack unit, this is the GL1 from Fleximounts. They are a US company dedicated to providing storage and organization solutions for the garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage racks being the best sellers due to their quality and innovation. Here we need to ensure that the support bars are perpendicular to the grate folding edges. For the final step, you will need to connect the handle to the shaft with a small bolt. However, I recommend skipping the bolt, as you can still use the handle without it. This makes it easier to use a drill to speed up the process. Alright, we're almost done. We just gotta connect this and give it a try. While I'm trying to move the rack up and down, I wanted to take a moment to thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and it really helps out the channel. If you're interested in getting the GL1 rack for yourself, I have an affiliate link in the description below for all the tools and equipment I used in this video. I can totally see people using this for the lawnmower or outdoor equipment. By the way, it's much faster and easier to use the drill to move the rack up and down. The rack as it is, it's perfect for storing your folded lawnmower, outdoor equipment, and boxes. The great design helps keep everything securely in place and prevents items from rolling out. To add an extra layer of security, I decided to build a small platform to keep boxes from tipping over. I just used some scrap materials I had laying around. That's it. The Fleximount rack is now fully installed, and also the closet is now completely clear out. The boxes and equipment are secure to store up on the rack, clearing up a lot of space in the house. If you're looking for a smart way to declutter and make the most out of your garage, this setup is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next video.